Arglaes is the technology of combining ionic silver with a controlled release polymer to create an environment hostile to bacteria and fungi while remaining completely non-cytotoxic. Unlike other silver technologies, Arglaes provides an antimicrobial barrier for up to 7 days. And unlike antibiotics, Arglaes has no known resistance. The Arglaes technology is available as a barrier film dressing and as a barrier film dressing with an alginate pad. The film has a high moisture vapor transmission rate to help provide an optimal wound healing environment. Arglaes is indicated to manage leg ulcers, stage 1 through 4 pressure ulcers, superficial wounds, lacerations, cuts and abrasions, donor sites, partial and full thickness wounds, infected and non-infected wounds, or wounds with light to heavy drainage. In addition, Arglaes is indicated for use over central lines, CVPs, PICC lines, surgical wounds, and minor burns. Arglaes is contraindicated for third-degree burns and for individuals with known sensitivities to silver or heavy metals. Apply Arglaes using the following steps. Cleanse the application site with saline or appropriate cleanser such as Skintegrity Wound Cleanser, then dry the surrounding area. Allow any skin prep to dry completely. Select the appropriate size dressing for the wound. Be sure to allow 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 inches of attachment to healthy peri-wound skin. With one hand, hold the white tab with printed side facing up. With the other hand, take hold of the loose film flap and gently peel away the release sheet and discard. The adhesive surface will now be exposed. Holding the dressing on both ends, turn it over so the adhesive surface is facing the wound site. Apply the dressing, press firmly and smooth down. Ensure the edges of the dressing are firmly fixed in place. Take hold of the second release sheet at the opposite end of the dressing to the white tab, then gently peel away and discard. Peel away the white tab. Smooth down the remaining edge. For moderate to heavy drainage, use the O technique to permit excess exudate to strike through onto an outer absorbent dressing. Before the carrier sheet is removed, use a hole punch to cut small openings into the dressing and then apply. The Arglaes dressing is effective for 7 days. However, wear time may vary depending on the amount of drainage. To remove, pick up a corner of the dressing and begin stretching it laterally along the skin surface, breaking the adhesive bond. Continue stretching from the edges toward the center. When 2 sides of the dressing are partially removed, grasp both sides and stretch it horizontally, parallel to the skin.